Good morning, children. Let us see chapter 11, perimeter and area. Actually, chapter 10, that is your practical geometry. Your practical geometry we have skipped, we have left it clear because see, in online classes it will become very difficult. If we teach without the geometry box, then it will be very difficult. And in online classes, clear it is not possible. Not possible means it may be possible if we teach it on rough copy and some other person should be there clear for recording. Clear till then, clear before practical geometry we have started this chapter 11 perimeter and area. Clear whenever we will take time, we will find time, clear we will take up and we will cover up practical geometry also. Clear it will not be left at all. So let us see chapter 11, that is perimeter and area. Okay, here the first heading is squares and rectangles. So what is square, you must be knowing. What is square? Square is a quadrilateral clear whose all the four sides are equal. What is square? Square is a quadrilateral whose all the four sides are equal. Means this side is equal to this one and this is equal to this. Let it be A, B, C, D. All the four sides are equal and all the four angles are right angles. Okay, this is square. So square is a four-sided polygon whose all the four sides are equal and all the four angles are what? That is your right angle. So this is a perimeter of a regular polygon, that is. This is also a regular polygon. What is regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon whose all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. What is regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon whose all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So this is square is also a regular polygon. Clear? Your equilateral triangle is also a regular polygon. Clear? This is what? Let us revise the definition. Regular polygon. Regular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon whose all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. All the angles are also equal. Okay, for example, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Your square is also a regular polygon. Square, etc. So equilateral triangle and square. So this is four-sided regular polygon. This is equilateral triangle is a regular polygon because all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are also equal. Square is also a regular polygon because here all the four sides are equal and all the four angles are also equal. Here now let us see what is the now perimeter of regular polygon, that is perimeter of a regular polygon equal to 4 into number of sides. That what is perimeter? Perimeter of regular polygon equal to, perimeter of a regular polygon equal to number of sides into length of one side. Perimeter of a regular polygon, that is number of sides into length of one side, that is number of sides into length of one side. This is general formula for the perimeter of a regular polygon, that is number of sides into length of one side. For example, perimeter of a square, put the values over here. Perimeter of a square equal to number of sides equal to 4 into length of one side, that is 4 into side. This is, what is this? This is perimeter of a square. Now area of a square equal to area of a square equal to, that is side into side. Area of a square equal to side into side, that is, you can write down, that is side is square. That is also known as what? Your side is square. Okay. Now let us see, perimeter of a square you have seen, area of a square also you have seen. Now let us move to the rectangle. That is, a rectangle is a quadrilateral, clear, whose opposite sides are equal. Let it be P, Q, R, S. Here this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Here also all the four angles are right angle. Okay children. So this is also a four-sided polygon. This is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all the four angles are right angles. Okay children. Now perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. What is perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. That is L into B. Okay children, this is all about your what? That is your perimeter and area of square and rectangles. Now let us see exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. That is, let us see question number 1. Question number 1 states that the length and the breadth of what is given here. I am not going to write the entire text of the question. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are what? L. Length of what is given? Length of rectangular piece of land. Equal to, that is 500 meter. Clear. Breadth equal to breadth equal to 300 meter. Breadth equal to 300 meter. Then find. To find we have to find number 1 area. Second number is what we have to find? The cost of land. Cost of land if cost of land if 1 square meter if costs rupees 10,000. Okay children, let us solve the question. Length of the rectangular piece of land means, how is the land? Land is rectangular, so we have to find out the area of the rectangular field. So let us solve children. Now area number 1 we are finding out. Area of the rectangular land. Area of the rectangular land equal to length into breadth. That is, what is the length? That is 500 meter multiplied by 300 meter. This is equal. Let us move to the next part of the board, that is, children, 500 meter into 300 meter, that is 5 3 is 15, which is equal to area equal to 5 3 15, and number of zeros equal to 4 and square meter. So area is how much? Area is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. 1,50,000, that is 1,50,000 square meter. Now second, this is called your area. This is the first answer. Okay, that is your, this is first answer. I want to say that. What is second part? We have to find out the cost of land. The cost of land at the rate of rupees 10,000 per square meter, at the rate of rupees 10,000 per square meter. Okay children, so how will you find out? What equal to cost of land? Cost of land equal to what? Area of the land, that is area of the land multiply by what? Cost of land for 1 square meter. They are equal to what? Area of the land equal to, that is this 5 3 is 15 here, and 1 2 3 4 zeros are 1,50,000 square meter multiply by cost of 1 square meter is how much? That is 10,000. Now the cost of land equal to how much? See, this is, write down 15, 1 is 15, and then how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is this one, 8 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 15 1 is 15, and 4 and 4 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay children. So this is how, what is this? This is rupees. So this is the, what is this? This is the cost. Let us see. Let us study the answer also children. This is what? This is exercise 11.1, question number 1. So this is how we have to check the answer children. Clear children? That is this is now 2 3 6. Okay children, this is very correct. And this is, let us this read the number also. That is okay. So this is the cost of this is the answer. Cost of land also you have found out. This is the cost of land, and this is what area of the land, that is 1,50,000. What is this? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore there, and that is Arab. That is this much clear. You have to what, write down cost of land. Now let us see the next question. First question, did you understand? Okay children, now similarly you can solve the other question also. What is other question? Question number 2. Find the area of a square park. Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is given. Find the area of the square park. Find the area of the square park. Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Okay, start solving. Area of the square park, what is given? Given perimeter of the square park. Perimeter, you can see here, perimeter of the square park. Square park is given to be 320 meter. We have to find the area of the square. Clear? So perimeter of the square park is equal to 320. Clear? So what is the formula for the perimeter of the square? That is 4 into side. 4 into side. 4 into side equal to 320 meter. So side equal to 320 upon 4 meter. Is 4 1 is 4, it is 32, and 4 is 0 0. That is side of the square. Side of the square equal to how much? That is 80 meter. Okay. Now area of the square. Now area of the square. Area of the square equal to. Area of the square equal to. Area of the square equal to side into side. That is side into side, which is equal to what is side? 80 multiplied by 80 and meter is square. That is, it is equal to 8 at just 64 and 2 zeros are there. That is 6400 square meter. Area of the square equal to area of the square equal to 6400 square meter. Okay, children, this is your answer. Okay, you can now note it down. So this question number 1 and 2 are over, right? So see, perimeter is given. So here actually before we start solving, we have to write what is given and what is to find out. Here what is given? This is given part. This is given. At the beginning only we have to define what is given and what is to find out. Clear? We have to find out this area of this square park. Area of the park. Okay, at the beginning only we have to define. Then it becomes very clear at the beginning only what you are going to find out. Okay, children, let us see the next question. That is question number 3. What does it state? Find the breadth of rectangular plot. Let us see. Find the breadth of rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 square meter and the length is 22 meter. What is this? Question number 3. What is it about? That is question number 3. What is given? What is given? Find the breadth of rectangular plot of land if its area of rectangular plot. Area of the rectangular plot equal to a rectangular plot of land is given to be 440 square meter, and the length is given to be also length equal to 22 meter. To find, what we have to find, children? We have to find and find the breadth and perimeter. To find breadth breadth and what? Perimeter. Perimeter of the land. Let us find out, children. See, area, what is given? Area of rectangular plot of land equal to 440 square meter. Area of rectangular plot equal to 440 square meter. Okay, and here what is area of rectangular plot? That is length into breadth equal to 440. Here length is given to be 22, that is, this is meter square, clear, and this is 22 meter multiplied by breadth equal to 440. So breadth equal to B equal to breadth, B equal to 440, that is 440 upon, that is 22. So this implies that what is breadth? B equal to the 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 44, and 2 0, the breadth equal to 20 meter. First answer is found out, that is breadth is 20 meter, that is first answer. Now what next thing we have to find out, that is what? Perimeter of the land. Now perimeter of the rectangular land. Second one is now perimeter of the rectangular land. Perimeter of the rectangular land equal to what? That is 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into L is given to be 22 plus breadth you have found out, that is 20. Now it is 2 multiplied by 20 plus 22, that is 42, and it is equal to 42 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 4 ja 84 meter, that is. So perimeter of the rectangular land, perimeter equal to 84 meter. Okay, children, this is how we have to find the answer. Okay, children. Now coming to the next question, that is what? The next question is question number 4. Let us see. All these things are very much easy if you understand the things properly. Question number 4 states that the perimeter of rectangular sheet is, what is given? Perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet equal to what? The perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. It is given to be 100 centimeter. If the length is length equal to how much? Length is 35 centimeter. Length is 35 centimeter. Find its breadth and also find the area. To find breadth, and area we have to find out. Let us see. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, children, now put the values. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet equal to, what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B equal to 100 centimeter. Now this implies that 2 into length is given to be 35 plus breadth equal to 100. Okay, this implies that here we can write it what, then 35 plus breadth equal to 100 upon 2. This implies that 35 plus b equal to 50. Right, children? Now this implies that let us move to the next part, that is, what is the next part, children? Uh, 35 plus, then this implies that b for breadth, b equal to 50 minus 35. Okay, this implies that b equal to 50 minus 35, 10 minus 5 equal to 5, and 4 minus 3 equal to 1, that is 15 centimeter. So breadth is how much? Your breadth equal to 15 centimeter, and this is your answer. Answer 1. What was the second answer? Area of the rectangular sheet. Now area of the rectangular sheet equal to what? Equal to, that is length into breadth, equal to, length is how much? Length was given at the beginning only, that is 35 centimeter, multiplied by breadth you have found to be 15 centimeter. Now multiply 15 5 75, that is 7 is carry over, 15 3 45 and 7, that is your 52, that is square centimeter. This is the area of rectangular sheet. Area of the rectangular sheet equal to this much. Okay, children, let us check the multiplication once again. That is 35 into 15, 15 5 75, that is 7 is carry over, 15 3 45 and 5, that is 50, and this is 52, 45 and 7, that is 52, that is area of rectangular sheet equal to 525 square centimeter. Clear, children? So how many questions we have seen? We have seen 4 questions. Clear? And remaining questions, clear, you can solve yourself, clear, of the same type, and if any different questions are there, then we will take up in the next class. Now, children, video is getting larger, and if it is larger and larger, then it will be very difficult for us. Similarly, question number 5, 6 and 7 and 8 can be done. Clear? We will take them up in the next class. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day.